Today we are in Rolling Meadows, Illinois, lining 40 feet of 4-inch cast iron pipe. Here you can see a big crack running along the left side of the pipe. Here we are inverting our UV liner into the sewer line using air pressure. Once the liner is inverted in, we push our UV cure head to the end of our liner. The head has a camera on it so we can inspect the line as we push in. The UV light is then turned on and the cure head is pulled back with our pull motors. As soon as light hits the liner, it starts to cure. The sewer is now lined and cracks will no longer form in the pipe. Give us a call or visit our website for more information.